let's talk about Nextcloud Flow, our bundle of automation tools.
Ongoing digitalization brings more pressure to many organizations. More service need to be provided, which means more workload and even more complex processes. For some, limited budget becomes a bottleneck and creates a shortage of qualified staff.
This is a big pain in public administration, even in well-digitalized countries. Applications need to be processed, documents reviewed, deadlines met. And not just efficiently, but also while being compliant, as it involves highly sensitive citizen data and complex regulations.
Nextcloud addresses this challenge with Nextcloud Flow, a set of workflow automation tools. Automation reduces errors, saves times, and helps teams cope with limited resources. Flow has several components.
There is an app for automatically tagging files based on various conditions, including the content of the files. And then actions can be configured in the Flow interface as you see here. For example, when a document is uploaded in a specific folder, you could get notified, send a chat message, or trigger a script.
The approval app can be used to create little workflows based on, the name is suggestive. You can track and request approvals on, for example, a document. We added a small but useful feature. It is now possible to add an explanation note when rejecting a file.
Hooray for transparency.
A more advanced level of automation is possible with Windmill, a powerful business workflow engine provided by our partner Windmill Labs.
Processes are built by connecting pieces of Nextcloud or external applications. For example, you can build a flow that responds to an incoming email. Then it moves its attachment into a folder and alerts people in a chat room. The flow could also perform automatic actions with your tag files, or streamline external payments with a mass of people on the other end of your website.
Stay tuned, there will be a related announcement in the coming months. Another component of Nextcloud Flow is Nextcloud Tables. It is an app for structuring data and creating no-code custom apps to record and manage any data you need.
With this release, Nextcloud Tables gives you more ways to work with your data.
For example, we introduce advanced date filters to manage the views of complex tables with dates.
Imagine you maintain a large set of records with names and dates. Thousands of entries. Sometimes you need to filter the entries quickly.
For instance, a huge project with hundreds of tasks and deadlines. Tables now lets you quickly filter such a list by deadline and even create automated views with tasks that are due soon.
Now, you can also share views using public links, allowing your collaborators to browse data in Nextcloud.